Order submitted.
Good morning. We are live here from the International Trading Room. What you're looking at right now is the ES future contract. We did just have some
Position opened.
data
Order submitted.
come out. The non-farms payroll report. I'm going to trade right now. I mean, just looking at the numbers, everything is in green. Everything's very positive. So we're looking like we should hit some upside targets here.
Order submitted.
I didn't move it up my target just a little bit here. Now, non-farm payrolls is, I would say, I believe easily the second most volatility-driven data that comes out aside from the Fed interest rate. Nothing moves the market short term, long term, any any time period than the Fed interest rate. Second to that, I believe it is the non-farm payrolls. There are a couple of other good ones out there too. It all depends on the relevant, more pertinent situation. Obviously, a lot of inflation number that comes out as of late definitely pushes the market around pretty strongly as well. So right now, as you can see, I am long the ES, and it's looking like it's pushing. We're already at all-time highs as it is, and so I hope this data pushes, hits my target there. Pretty close. Naturally, anytime you're at all-time highs, it's there tends to be a lot more selling pressure. That's just the way it is. So here we are. I'm just kind of waiting. Hopefully my target gets hit. I'm gonna go ahead and move a
Stop
stop loss
filled.
in
Order canceled.
just to kind of lock in my profits there. And what I like to do, situations like this, I like to bring the good old fibs
Order
into
canceled.
play. Get that out of the way. Because there is always a retracement, at least with the ES.
Order submitted. Position opened. Order submitted.
Now I'm shorting the market just like that. Now what I'm gonna do
Order
here,
submitted. Order submitted.
got a simple profit target there. I'm gonna sell half my orders at that target.
Target filled. Order canceled. Target filled. Order canceled.
So it looks like it sold all my. It's only supposed to sell two. Well, either way, we're now back to where we opened up at, or at least where this all started. Pretty much the pivot point of it all.
Order
So
submitted.
now, like a madman, I'm going to look to get back in to the upside. There we go. It's getting pretty
Order
low.
submitted.
This is good.
Position opened. Order submitted.
Now I'm long to the upside. I shouldn't have my target that far off.
Order submitted.
Being that it did return all the way to pretty much, as you can see, it
Target
returned to the
filled.
100%
Order canceled.
Fibonacci level. Pretty much, I don't expect it to. I kind of want to leave these up here. Let me take these off because they tend to cluster up the screen. So, Fibonacci's, that's just simple using Fibonacci levels on the upstream. You can see it respected it highly. I mean, so I made it here. I did the retracement. Once I saw it hit the 38 percentile, of course, it went all the way back to the 100. Actually, I think I have this upside down, but either way, it still works out. Um, you know, these are the middle levels here. Usually, when it cracks one, it drops to another one. Usually, if it would just hit the 23 percentile or on the downside, the 76 percentile, either way, it's the same. That's not strong retracement values. This is kind of the sweet spots right here. These center three. Once I saw it break to 38, I only took it for a little bit too. I didn't sit here and ride it the whole time. Just takes it for bits and pieces. Now I'm pretty much done, at least for this event. I'll get back into my regularly scheduled programming trading here. So, and this morning I did use the micros, as you can see. So, this pretty much washed out, as you can see, my trade from earlier. I like to use the micros because it's easy to get in and out. Where is so just simple trading. As you can see, there's my loss. 2 wins. Man, I wish I would. That one didn't sell me out when it shorted there. But either way, it's going to be around 80 bucks. Once everything's said and done with commissions, which are super cheap. That's what I like about the micros. You can get as many as you want, just as liquid as a regular one, and it's like a fraction of the cost of the transaction fees. So either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me go ahead and bring this up here just to show you guys. This is a really good. This is a good beat, a solid beat. Um, as you can see, it has been going up and away here. So everything is a beat. Looks like Canada had some numbers out this morning too, which this was expected. As you can see, the consensus, it was above average week hours. Some of them were just above, but this is a good number right here. This is a good number. So either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. May the trend be your friend. Good luck hunting in the markets.